Our school is having a watermelon activity. So for that, I took white computer pages and wrote the entire spelling of watermelon on it with a red marker. And cut the page like watermelon, and then made its corners with a green marker. Dot it with a black marker so that the writing looks like watercolor. After writing, I placed a green colored pipe on a large table, and then made a watermelon out of the red colored chart, and also added green shapes in the corners too. Make it look like a watermelon, and put it on the pipe and put green paper sheets around the pipe. Wow, the white pages that had the spelling of watermelon written on them were hung with the help of a rope on the table that had been prepared for. Watermelon was placed in front of it. The table is still being decorated, so you can see the current watermelon on it, which is still being cut. For this, you will have to subscribe to our channel so that you can also see the decoration of watermelon on the table.
Don't hold your breath. Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now. Remember that time.